Came across a nice audio track on RedNote and want to save it to use later? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to save an audio to your favorites on RedNote. Now let's get started. To save an audio from someone else's video on RedNote, open the video with the audio you want to save. Then tap the name of the audio at the bottom, or if it does not appear there, tap the share icon on the right. Scroll sideways in the menu that appears and select Use Audio. Then tap Collect. When you go to make a video yourself and want to use the audio, tap Choose Audio at the top. Then tap Collect. Here you'll find any audio you've previously saved. Tap a saved audio here to apply it to your video. You can adjust the volume balance between the added audio and your video's original audio by tapping Volume. Then you can continue editing and posting your video as normal. That's all it takes to save audio to your favorites on RedNote. To learn more about using the RedNote app, check out our Beginner's Guide to RedNote next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.